welcome to Fitness with Meg. Today we're here with a 3-minute windmill workout using dumbbells. So if you're ready, grab some dumbbells. If you don't have any, that's fine. You can still do this workout without it, and let's begin. Okay, so we are going to begin by bringing your arms out to your side, and you are going to lift your arms up to the side, bringing your arms up to the top over your head, and then bring your arms back down. This is what we call the windmill arm motion, and we are going to be doing it for 3 minutes today. 3 minutes all the way through, no break. But don't worry, if y'all need a break, you can always just pause the video in between, stretch out those arms, and then resume with me here. I'm working outside in the park today. It's a nice, bright, sunshiny day. I love working out outside. It is a little hot though, but at least we are having a breeze, so that does make it nice. You can see the branches blowing and the leaves are blowing as well here. So we are using a pair of dumbbells in this workout video, but if you don't have dumbbells, that is fine. You can do this workout without weights, or you can grab anything that will be a added bit of resistance for you. So that could be a tin can of food, that could be anything you have lying around that has a little bit of a weight. It doesn't have to be super heavy. But if you don't have dumbbells, that's fine. You can still do this workout without it. And if you don't even want to use dumbbells, you can do that as well. You can still do the arm motion without using weights. That's fine too. It'll still get you a good arm workout. I have several other workout videos on my channel that use weights and dumbbells. If y'all are interested, check those out. And if y'all aren't interested in workouts with dumbbells, we have weightless arm workout videos on my channel as well. I brought my weights with me to the park today to film. It also added a little bit of weight and resistance when I was walking to my filming location, so that added in a little extra workout in, so that was kind of fun. And keep lifting here. Keep up the great work, y'all. We got this. Keep lifting, lifting, lifting. These 3 minutes will go by quicker than you know, and you will feel your arms after this. I was sore the next day after doing this workout. So we are back today with another 3-minute workout challenge. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Congrats on finishing this workout. I'm super proud of y'all. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'll see y'all on Friday. Bye.